All right, just want to show you that our ovens can withstand rain. You can see this is under the rain. This is stainless. It's still withstanding the rain. You can see that very clearly. It's raining heavily here. You can see the ovens. Yeah, they can withstand. They can be outside, they can be inside, as long as they are stainless, but not galvanized. Not galvanized. Not galvanized. You don't let water touch your galvanized, because that will rust on time. But these ones can withstand any weather. Stainless, yeah, sun or rain, they can. So you can see that. It's very clear. Yeah. See that? It's really raining here, but they are still outside. They're still outside. All right, just want to show you this and let you know that these ovens can withstand rain. All right, yeah.